Hello guys, welcome to Tech Kizak's channel, and in today's episode we're gonna learn the following topics and you can find the timestamp in the description box. So let's start. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Today we will learn about manage parameter section in PowerQuery in Excel. That what is it? A parameter is basically a named variable that hold a single value like a number, date, or even a file path. It seems boring at first, but it's like a remote control for your queries. So it's not good for one-time data cleanup, but it is very good when you have the queries that you have to use again and again, and you have to automate reports, and it also helps you in creating Power BI project. So first, let's learn how to create a parameter. So I have this data here, and I want to create a year parameter like a filter. So what we do is we go over to the manage parameter, and here we will go to create a new parameter, and let's see with name. I want to create a year parameter, and in description select with year to filter, and then type we will select decimal number, and then suggested value, list of values, and here we have 3 years. So first 2023, second one is 2024, and third one is 2025, and then current value will be 2025, and then select OK. Now we have created a year parameter. So when we go back to sales table, we have to click over to the year filter, and then go to number filter and click equal, and here it equals to parameter, and here select decimal number, and then select OK. Now you can see it filters the data of year 2024. It seems boring. You must be thinking, oh, I can filter the data with a simple filter. Yes, you can. But as I am telling you about all the button in Excel, so it was my duty to tell you about manage parameter. This will not help you in one-time data cleaning or temporary tasks. This will help you when you have more complex data and you have different file paths and you have to link your data into a Power BI project. Then these parameters will help you. So hopefully you now know what is manage parameter button and how to create a parameter and how to use. So hopefully you like today's video. If you like today's video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. After learning all options, we are now on transform section, and we're gonna learn about the first option, group by. It is same as the option we got over here under the home tab, but we got this option over here as well. What is a group by option? This is a secret to no pivot tables. I haven't made a pivot table in months. Let me show you how you can use this to analyze data quickly in few steps. So I have this data, and if I want to see the yearly sales for the sales by year or region, then I have to use pivot table. But do you know you can use PowerQuery? You don't have to create pivot table, and you can create reports and analyze data. So let's take this data into the PowerQuery by clicking anywhere in your data and go to data tab, and then click on from table range. This will open up PowerQuery for you. So we go to transform, and here we will use group by option. If we click on this dialog box will open up. So first it says basic and advanced. We will use basic first. This will give you only one option. So here we will select year because we want to see the sum of sales by each year. And then we want a new column name. We want it to be total sales. And then what operation we want sum of the total sales, and then where we want it to be performed on the sales amount, and then select OK. Now you can see these are the sales for 2023, then 24, and then 25. You can sort this by going over here to the home, and then here we have sorting option. Now we have 2023, 24, and 25, and all of the steps are recorded here. You can undo the step by clicking this little cross. Okay, let's do the group by option again, but in advanced settings. So go to transform, go to group by, and here go to advanced. Now you will get a grouping section here as well. So go to, we want yearly sales, and we want to see the regions as well. We can add more here as well, but now we'll do 2 of them. New column name will be total sales, and then operation we want to be performed is sum again on the sales amount, and then select OK. Now you can see, we can see the years, we can see the region and the total sales. We can sort them by just clicking over here, go to home tab and sort like this. So 2023 sales, 2024, and 2000. We can now see the every yearly way. We can just do this to sort it. So for the 2023, we can see these sales. For 2024, in each region, we can see these sales, and 24, we can see these sales. So hopefully you understand what is a group by option and how it's the secret to no pivot tables. So you can filter your data and create reports in just few steps. So you can go back to home file, and then close and load this data back into Excel, as you can see here. So hopefully you understand group by option today. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel Power Query Editor series. So as we were learning about all the options here, now we will learn about table section under the transform tab. So I have already told you about a group by option. That is a secret to no pivot table. You can watch my previous video if you want to learn about this option. Now we'll learn about use first row as header option. If we click on this, you can tell this by name. You can use first row as header. If we click on this, so our first row is now header. This will help you sometime when you are cleaning data or you have messy data. Let's undo this step and then go to use header as first row. So you can use the headers and first row and then it give the name as column 1, column 2, column 3 like this. If we go over here, emoted headers, we can undo this step. So we have to delete this other step first and then delete that one. Otherwise it would give an error. So now we have sort data here again. Now we have transpose. So what is a transpose? So transpose will convert your rows into column and column into row. If we click on this, you can see now the columns are rows and it's quite long now because we have so many columns. Now go back. If you click on back, it will convert your rows into column and column into rows again. And we are back to the original data. Let's undo these steps. Now this is our original data. Now we have reverse rows. So reverse rows mean that it will reverse your data, which means the last row will be shown on the top. So if you click on this, this is the last row. It's showing on the top and the first row will be showing on the last as south monitor. And if we click back on this, now we have south monitor row back up again. And then we have count rows. If we click on this will quickly count the rows for you. And we will get these options. We will learn about these options after in our next video. So let's undo all this step and go back to original source data. Hopefully you understand these basic options of table section. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Today we will learn about some option under the transform tab in the Power Query editor in Excel. So first of all, we have data type. This will show you the data type of the selected column. You can change it with this little drop down and you can change data type of your column. And then we have detect data type. This will automatically detect the data type of the currently selected column. So whenever we select the column, it will automatically detect the data type, or you can click to detect it. The data type for the ID is whole number, for the name it's text, and for the join date it's date and time. But I don't want its time, I only want date. So I will go over here and just select date, and then it's saying you want to change column type and then replace the current. I don't want to add a new one, so I will replace the current. And then the data type for the salary is whole number, but I want it to be in the currency, so we will set currency and then replace the current again. As you can see here, now it's in currency now, and then this data type is true and false. So now you know how can you change the data type of your column quickly in our query editor. Then we have rename. So we can quickly change the name of the selected column. For example, I want to change the name. Quickly go to rename, and for example, press to the names and then press enter. So by clicking this, you can quickly change the name of the column, or you can double click on your column header and then you can change name there as well. So hopefully you understand these three options in Power Query editor. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel Power Query editor series. So today I will show you what is the replace value option and what is the fill option and where practically you can use these options. So first of all, I will show you my data. So I have this data in which I have some missing values, and I have in region section, I have some of the values case is different. So we will edit this by using two options in Power Query, replace value and fill. So first of all, as you can see here, in the region section, I have this south is in the capital case, but this south is in the smaller case. And this happens a lot in this. So let's change the case of the south region. So what I will do is I will select the column and then go to replace value and then replace value. And then value to found is smaller case south, replace with capital case south. And then flat. Okay, now we have all the south in capital case. Now I have the problem in the product section. Some of the product spelling is not properly written. Let's change the product B to fully spelled product E. So what we'll do is we will set the column, go to replace value again, and find value is prod B, change it with product B, and then select OK. Now the value is changed. Now I don't have values over here. Some of the cells are missing. So probably I want to fill the same employee down. So what I will do is I will select my employee column, then go to fill. And if you fill the column above, like if I want to fill Alice here, then I will select the down. But if I want to fill Charlie up there, then I will select up. First we will do down. As you can see here, we go Alice here now. But what if we use the up? Now we go Charlie here. So which way you want, you can use it. So hopefully you understand these two options, replace values and fill in Power Query editor. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Today I will show you how to reorder your columns without messing the data. So if somebody asks you to reorder your columns, as a beginner, what you will do is, okay, I will select the column and then I will move it around, and then this will mess up your your data. Then you have to move back that data and it is moved out of the table. So let's do this with just simple steps in Power Query without messing your original data. So what we will do is we will click anywhere in the data and go to Data tab, and here select Form Table Range. This will take you to the Power Query, and then we will go to the Transform tab. Here we have Move option. We can use this option to move the selected column to the left, to the right, to the beginning, or to the end. Or otherwise, we can use the easier method. So select the column and then move it around where you want it to be. This is much easier than this one, but you can use this one as well. For example, let's use to the beginning. Now the product is moved to the beginning. So you will get the same result by using this option or just clicking or dragging your data around. So hopefully you liked today's video and you have learned something new. And then why the changing column order matter is because sometimes you need to change column order alignments, loading to reports, and matching templates. So you can now load this data back into your Excel by using close and load. Now you have this data back into Excel with the reorder column, and it's not messy data. Now you have clean data and you still have original data as well, and then you have this data as well. So hopefully you liked today's video. Press the like button and follow for more videos like this.